What's going on, you guys? I'm back with another eBay unboxing. This is a lot of amiibos I paid $40 for. It's 5 characters, but with amiibos they're always expensive, so it's a good deal. And I calculated the price of them all used, so I got this yesterday, but I'm just getting around to opening it now because I was busy. So yeah, and I'm also going shopping for more amiibos today, so let's get into this. And obviously I opened the top. Alright, here's one of the figures. And here's Daisy. Good shape too. Well, there's this little paint mark there, but that's not a problem. Another Super Mario collection. Well, another Mario Amiibo from my Mario collection. Alright. And here is Waluigi. I now have Wario and Waluigi. If you remember, I did a Wario Amiibo unboxing. Well, here's Waluigi to go with him. Great looking figure, by the way. I don't even have a Waluigi action figure, so this is actually really cool. Also, obviously, I won't be able to use this amiibo at all in Smash. The rest of these characters I can, though. Alright. And here is Isabelle in the yellow jacket. The only Animal Crossing amiibo I'll probably ever own, unless you count the Smash one. She's got some paint marks too, but it looks fine. Little dusty on the base, but the description said these were used for display, so it shouldn't be that big of an issue. And here's one that I already have. Rosalina. Or Rosalina and Luma, I should say. I have one already, like I got it back when it came out, but mine's busted here, so. And let's see what print this is. Oh, sweet, it's a first print. That's actually really cool. That makes the value a little bit better. This one is one of the ones that equals my money back because it goes for $22 used, which is pretty cool. And then the last guy I got is the one I wanted the most. And that is King K. Rool. Yes. I don't even think there is any King K. Rool action figures, but this guy is fucking cool. My friend has him, and as soon as I seen him, I wanted to get his figure. He goes for about 20 used and like 30 new. So I just had, I've tried to find him cheap, but I finally found him, and he looks like he's in really good shape too, which is a good thing. Just look at the detail on his cape and everything. A little dusty on the bottom, but I can clean that up, not a problem. So yeah, there's King K. Rool. That's going to be it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If not, I'm sorry, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.